Good morning guys! Ito yung garden sa likuran ng bahay namin. So, na-enjoy namin ang view na to araw-araw.
They would like say, oh my gosh, where did you get this beautiful basket? Just with a candy cane in it.
I know.
Wow, there's so much lemons in our garden. We're so lucky to have lemon juice. Look how much lemons there are.
Look at those.
We're just going to wash the lemons. These are the fruits in your plant. Right? A drip for your hand.
Wow. Look at those.
Wow, those are watered by the rain. So it can grow a little bit bigger. And then it's going to be a very big plant that we're going to climb on.
Let's look for the ones that are not yet spoiled.
Yeah. I just picked a little of lemon.
Get those. Get this. Can you check
This
this
one?
Yeah.
Ew, these are spoiled.
Just check that one also. That one.
Small one?
No, this one. Is it
This?
spoiled? Oh, you take that one and put it in the basket.
This
Sige,
one?
get those two.
These ones?
Yeah, get the two pieces.
These are like spoiled.
Yeah, it's fine. Okay.
You just wash them?
And yeah. And just wash them. Oh. It's a little spoiled, but we'll make it lemon juice.
Okay. I'm so excited to make lemon juice.
Here, oh.
When you
See, oh.
make a very long time, put it in
Yeah.
basket. I'm so happy to make lemon juice. You just wash it and then the lemon juice is tasting good. Ooh, there's some green on it.
Yeah, I know. It's fine.
These are
I mean,
lemons. I taste them.
It's such a waste if we're not gonna pick them up.
These are lemons. I got a little of some. I got a little bite of these. So my mom will know if it's orange or lemon.
Yeah. Kuya said they're lemons. They
Yeah,
actually look like oranges.
It's a little bit only tiny sweet, but it's so sad. But it's sour. Yeah, sour. I taste
Let's check
one
that
bite
one.
of it. A little bite. Okay, I guess that's good.
So many of them.
These are so good.
What a
We're
waste.
collecting all?
Not really. I think those are enough.
Okay. Oh, Mom, can we make a video how we cook some lemon juice?
You don't cook lemon juice, love. You just make it.
Yeah, how make a video how to
See?
make. See,
So much na.
we got some lemons.
Right.
Maybe
Let's move.
maybe one more.
Go back inside, love.
Okay. Okay.
That's enough.
Every single morning, every single day, we will never stop thanking God for giving us this life. Napakasimple lang pero it feels so precious. Malayo sa stress, malayo sa pressure. Simpleng buhay lang. I guess it's a matter of loving the life that you have and having faith that God will always give you the best in life more than what you have prayed for. And ito na yung matagal naming pinagdasal. Simple pero masayang buhay. It's a place of calmness and peace.
Thank you, Jesus, for the lemon fruits. We're going to make some lemon juice. First, let's wash them because they're fishing ground. Let me just pour it a little.
That's a lot of them. Look at this, guys. Ito yung isa sa perks in living sa New Zealand. Kasi ito, galing lang dyan sa may garden. Yan. Ito galing yan sa puno. As in, nahulog lang yan yung mga bulaklak. Kung di mo pitasin. As in, sabi ko nga sa isa sa mga vlogs ko, nahulog lang dito yung mga bulaklak, yung mga fruits, madadaanan mo. Yan. Diba? Ang ganda. Hindi ko na kailangan bumili ng bulaklak para i-display. Ayan. Kasi mahilig akong mag-display ng flowers sa
Now I put this one.
table. Although, wala akong green thumb kasi namamatay lang yung mga halaman sa akin. So, hindi talaga sila nagtatagal. Pero dahil dito, yun nga, meron naman talagang garden na punong-puno ng flowers. Yan. Libre na lang yan. Diba? Ito yung isang arrangement ko sa my living room. O, diba? Ang ganda. Diba? Actually, hindi ko nga alam kung bulaklak ba yan or hindi naman yan fruits kasi nakikita ko yan na nagre-red lang nung dumating kami dito, nung lumipat kami by November yata yun. November ba tayo lumipat dito? As in, mukha silang roses. Pero, mas maganda yung nadadaanan namin, guys. Kasi kulay white na parang malalaking roses na tapos yung tipong parang ano lang sila, parang mukha silang artificial sa ganda. Tapos, nasa puno sila. Yan. Parang ito lang, di ba? Nasa puno yan. Pakita ko sa inyo mamaya kung ano yung itsura nung puno. Just taste it, kuya, if you like it.
Yum. Yum.
Taste it. Let kuya taste it, kuya. Chami.
Yummy, right?
Yummy? You want also?
Tastes like orange juice.
I don't like orange juice,
This
but
is
Chami
so
likes this.
yummy. This is so yummy.
Very good, Chami.
That's why I like watermelon everything.
Hi guys! Happy Easter! Today is March 31. Time check. 5:10 ng hapon. So, nandito kami ngayon sa Pars Park ulit. Dito sa New Zealand, usually kapag public holidays, gaya ng Holy Friday or Good Friday, tsaka ng Easter Sunday, sarado lahat ng establishments, sarado ang mga malls, so wala kang pwedeng puntahan. Maliban sa outdoor areas like ito, park, or meron din ang pagkakaalam ko yung mga restaurants open naman.
Yeah.
Hey guys!
Hey guys.
So I'm here today with my princess, Chami.
Sound.
Yeah. Okay.
Sam.
Okay.
Yes, ALM. That's how that is.
So guys, last week kasi, for the whole week is work from home ako. So, that was until Thursday kasi ang Good Friday is public holiday siya dito sa New Zealand. And I think most of the countries ganun din naman except sa mga Muslim countries where hindi sila nagko-commemorate ng Holy Week. Pero dito, ang Good Friday at saka ang Easter Sunday are public holiday. So, walang pasok. And lahat ng establishments, lahat ng malls, sarado. So, wala kang mapupuntahan. So, last Friday, what did you do last Friday, Sam? Did you do something?
We just, what did we do? Maybe we went to the, we just stayed home.
Oh, yeah. Last Thursday, we did our groceries because we expected that sarado ng Friday ang mga supermarkets, ang mga malls. So, namili na kami ng Thursday after ng work ko. And then Friday, did we just stayed home lang? Last Friday. Oh yeah, and then we just kind of, like meditate and rosaries. Sinasabayan lang namin yung rosaries sa YouTube, ganyan. Actually, the whole week. The whole week from Holy Monday, Holy Tuesday,
Holy Wednesday, Holy
Holy
Thursday.
Thursday.
So, every single day, every single morning ang ginawa ko was, piniplay ko lang sa YouTube yung Holy Rosary. So, ganun lang. It's a week of prayer. Hindi ko alam kung kayo paano nyo sinelebrate, or I mean, hindi ko alam paano kayo nag-commemorate ng Holy Week. Pero, ganon.
Mom, there's a bike coming.
Oh, wow. Okay. Let's go this
Be
way.
careful. Oh,
And then,
how?
Saturday, that was yesterday. Cham, what did you do yesterday? Did you do something? Oh, we went to
The mall.
we went to the mall
And go to the restaurant.
and went to Costco
Yeah.
kasi nagustuhan ng mga bata
and we
yung,
went and go and like.
naalala niyo yung garlic spread na binili ko, as in konti na lang siya, halos naubos na siya. So ayan, bumili lang kami na siya nung tinapay and yung muffins, kasi the rest naman namili kami sa Pack and Save. Kasi yun nga, hindi nang pwede kasing weekly mag-wholesale ka, ano naman ang bibilhin namin weekly sa Pack and Save, sa Costco, diba? So yun lang guys, and then today we attended the Mass, Easter Sunday, and then ayun na, after the Mass, plano sana namin kumain sa labas, kaya lang close nga yung mga malls, di ba, Shami? The malls are closed today.
Yeah.
Oh.
It's Easter Sunday.
So we were not able to go to eat outside nga kasi nga sarado,
Like,
di ba? Teka. So that's what I was keep telling you guys. Napakasimple lang ng buhay dito sa New Zealand. Ito, despite being holiday season. Ganito. Ang konti pa rin ang tao sa park. Usually, di ba, on most places kapag sinabing holidays, pag public holidays, especially ang park kasi libre ang park. Usually, sorry, puno yan or maraming tao kasi nga public holidays. Pero dito kasi sa New Zealand, mas madaming baka kesa sa population ng tao. So yun, konti lang talaga ang mga tao, hindi mapupuno yung mga parks dito or recreational areas. And alam nyo ba dito, share ko nga pala, kapag nag-park kayo sa mall, maximum of 3 hours lang pwede kang mag-park. Tapos pwede ka pa libre naman yun, pero yun nga, before mag-end ng 3 hours, kailangan either umalis ka na or lipat mo yung parking mo. So I think it's a very good strategy para hindi rin mapuno yung mga malls, di ba? Although hindi naman din naman mapupuno kasi kukunti lang naman din ang tao dito. Pero yun, maganda nga yun kasi may iwasan na mag-overcrowded sa mga malls kasi 3 hours lang yung pwedeng itagal ng parking mo. Although free naman nga. Yun. So, ano pa ba? Tomorrow plan naming lumabas. Siguro bukas kami magmo-mall kasi nga bukas open na ulit ang mga malls. Hindi kagaya ngayon, sarado.
let's just do 1 lap. Okay?
1 lap.
Yeah.
I'm tired already.
They could just see the view map. They could just see us in the view.
Nangala yung kamay ko. Right, baby. So, let's go this way muna.
Okay. Let's
Okay,
go
sana
back.
lang walang poop ng aso dito. Siguro dito ang population ng mga pet owners, like 8 out of 10 families. For every 10, families may 8 doon na may pet. Isa kami doon sa walang pets. Ako naman kasi, like, takot talaga ako sa mga animals. Like, any type of animals, takot talaga ako. Mula bata ako, ganun na ako. And, yeah. So, even sa insects, ganun din naman ako. Takot ako sa insects. Takot ako sa animals. Although yung si Salma, tsaka si Luke, at tsaka si Butch, gustong-gusto talaga nilang magkaroon ng pet. Like, dog or cat, doesn't matter. Kasi nga, gusto nilang magkaroon ng pet. And minsan, naawa ako kasi nga gustong-gusto talaga nila. Kaya lang kasi naisip ko, una, OC ako. Ayoko yung, kunyari, di ba yung pet? Siyempre, hindi pwedeng hindi mo yan nilabas ng bahay. Eh, hindi naman siya pwedeng every time lalabas. Pagpasok ng bahay, di ba, lilinisan mo yung paa. So, hindi ako komportable na, kunyari, yung dog, kahit hindi siya, or yung cat, kahit hindi siya umupo sa may sofa or sa kama, as long as pumasok siya ng bahay, yun. So, ako lang naman yun. Siyempre, kasi hindi ako nasanay na may pet. Ayoko talaga ng pet. So, ganun lang. Oops, what is that?
Oh, I don't know. Do you know I found a stick? I picked it up and enjoyed it.
Tapos ayun nga, syempre kailangan
Because it's
i-train mo yung pet mo na magdumi lang sa labas para, 'di ba, para hindi siya magdumi sa loob ng bahay. And yeah, I think I don't have the energy to do that. Tapos yung tipong, ngayon nga lang na wala kaming pet sa bahay kasi very OC ako. Mayat maya nag-vacuum ako, nagmamap ako. Ever since kasi ganun ako. So, even yung clutter sa bahay, it makes me feel uncomfortable kapag may clutter sa bahay. So, kunyari, yung tissue lang sa table, yung pagkakaareglo niya, pagkakapwesto niya, pagkakaposition niya sa table, hindi siya pwedeng maiba ng pwesto.
I found a stick.
Kasi nga, ganun yung personality ko. So, I don't think mag-work yan kung may pet ka. Kung may pet kami, baka atakihin ako. Atakihin ako sa puso sa pag may kalat or tipong yung labas-masok yung dog kasama ng mga kids, naglalaro, tapos labas-masok, di ba?
Acorn eater.
So, ayun lang. Siguro someday.
This is what happens if you hold it like that.
Pero not now. I'm not yet ready. At this time, hindi pa ako ready magkaroon ng pet sa bahay. Pero, I would love to see them kasi yung mga bata gusto talaga nilang magkaroon ng pet.
20.
Oh, wow! Ang ganda naman, oh guys. It looks like a golf course. Ganda. Looks like a golf course. Sarap ng hangin. Come on guys, let's go.
Watch this. I can make this hat like did it became like that. Get my stick back. Maybe.
Sham, do you like the life here in New Zealand?
Yeah,
Which do you like better? Life in Abu Dhabi or life in New Zealand?
life in New Zealand is much more better.
Why?
Because of in UAE, it's just so much hot. There's not even like a winter day. Because this weather, it has some winters. Because I will keep sweating in Abu Dhabi when I go outside.
How about the school?
At school,
Okay, so do you prefer New Zealand school?
yeah. But I did. Okay, good. Oh, look at the ticker stick. I'm going to show this to my dad. The biggest stick in the whole wide world. I can measure it. I can measure trees with a stick. Okay. I remember that in the hotel, right?
Mm-hmm.
And we just didn't got the house, but now we got the house. I have a stick, a tall stick, and I even hold it in your bag where you hold the green bag. Remember that a long time ago? Yeah.
So sa Monday, Tuesday, back to normal na, back to work na. I think there's one more holiday dito sa New Zealand, sa April 25.
Exercise.
Nakalimutan ko na kung ano yung okasyon. But I think it is a public holiday. Please correct me if I'm wrong dun sa mga tiga New Zealand na viewers ko. So, ang lamig ngayon. I think it's just 19 degrees pero sobrang lamig, guys. Minsan sa sobrang lamig, alam mo yung parang naninigas yung mga kamay ko sa lamig. Yan. As you know, first time kasi namin ma-experience yung ganitong klaseng lamig. Kasi dati kami sa disyerto. So, meron mang winter doon, hindi naman ganito kasing lamig. Hindi kasing lamig ng ganito. Dito malamig, tas mahangin.
See you when you're my biggest stick ever.
Dati, nung
Such a big
hindi
stick.
pa nag-start ang winter, super excited ako kasi inisip ko, yes, finally, masusuot ko na yung mga outfitan ko. Ang dami ko kasing pin-repair na outfit for winter. Kasi nga, syempre, arte-arte. Kaso, ayun, sobrang lamig pala. So, kahit gusto mong mag-outfit, syempre yung mga outfit din, kailangan minsan doble-doble para lang hindi ka lamigin. Meron akong dalawang coat na nabili sa Zara, my favorite brand. Isang brown at saka isang black. So, sana one of these days makapag-OOTD ako. Pero aside from those, meron din akong makapal na jacket. Zara din siya, pero nabili ko lang siya sa may ukay. So, it's in perfect condition. Nabili ko lang siya ng, I think, $10. And then, meron din ako from Topshop na galing ng UAE. So, dala-dala ko dito. Tapos, ano pa ba? Kasi yung mga bata, like si Chami, si Butch, at saka si Lucas, from UAE din yung mga jackets nila. Si Lucas at saka si Butch, binili namin yung sa kanila from Marks and Spencer. Tapos yung kay Chami naman, sa may ano bang brand nung kay Chami? Harley? Something like that. Yung sa kanya unicorn color. Tapos yung sa aming tatlo, I think yung sa akin at saka yung kay Lucas are black color. Tapos yung kay Butch is blue, dark blue. Tapos ano pa ba? May nabili rin akong dalawang coat na pang OOTD at the same time. Talagang pang winter outfit talaga. Nabili ko lang din sila sa ukay. Pero sobrang ganda nila. I think vintage style. Yung dalawang coats na yon. Maybe one of these days kung maisuot ko man, may ipakita ko sa inyo. Although, ayun nga, madami akong mga nakalinya pa na outfits na hindi ko pa nasusuot kasi, yun nga, dati kasi nung nasa UAE, pag nakasale ang Zara, talagang nag-hoard ako. As in, aside sa online, bibili ako ng online, and at the same time, pupuntahan ko yung mga shops. Shami, let's go back.
Yeah, let's go back.
Yung mga shops ng Zara sa Abu Dhabi. So, lahat ng malls, pupuntahan ko, titignan ko yung deals nila. Tapos yun, nag-hoard talaga ako. And most of them, pang winter talaga. Tapos, madami akong mga blazers jacket na pang office. One time pumasok ako na naka-blazer ako ng pang Zara.
I'm measuring it. It's bigger than it.
Parang fancy looking.
Look at it.
Kasi, dito kasi sobrang simple lang ng mga tao.
Right, bigger.
Kaya minsan pag nag-outfit ka dito, talagang titignan ka nila. Parang naninibago siguro sila. Kasi napakasimple lang ng mga tao dito. Pero usually kung gusto mong makakita ng mga nag-outfitan talaga, yung mga nasa central CBD, ano kasing tawag doon? Dito sa may Auckland, parang pinaka-syudad siya syudad part siya ng Auckland. Although ang Auckland is city, pero may part din siya na parang doon ang pinakamadaming tao. And yun nga, yung mga karamihan doon ng mga tao is maporma talaga. Unlike dito, sa ibang part ng Auckland, hindi masyadong mag-outfit ang mga tao. Madalang ka lang talagang makakita ng mga nakaporma-porma na tao dito. So ayun, very simple life lang talaga dito sa New Zealand. And as I said sa mga previous
I'm just going to
vlogs
go
ko,
in the field.
I enjoyed the life here kasi it's very laid back. It's very simple, less effort. And yeah, I think dito na talaga kami forever. And I thank God every single day kasi binigyan niya kami ng opportunity and ng new life sa napakagandang bansa gaya ng New Zealand. close this vlog. And I hope to see you more sa mga future vlogs ko. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe and share this video. Bye!